We have a very special guest today, Bhumi Ajoti, and she represents NJ. This is the CRM app that we've just heard about, and I'm going to ask her about the salient features of the service that she and her company proposes to offer to members of ICANN. Please, if you could take us through the salient features of this particular service.
Okay, so there are a few features which are very unique if we consider in our application, and that are designed just for the mutual fund advisors and financial distributors. We provide them a centralized platform which not only helps them get their client information organized, but it also helps them act on it and take better decisions. How can they do so? So there are a couple of things that we are offering. One is definitely the platform to have a centralized information. Second, they have an option where they can automate the service requests that are coming from their clients. That being the most consuming task for all the mutual fund advisors and distributors.
Right.
What happens is we cannot focus on the actual definition of an advisor. We cannot advise our clients.
Right.
We get entangled into the queries that are coming in from our clients.
True.
So we provide an option for them to automate that process and focus on what they actually want to do. So that is how our system is going to help them.
Right.
Not only that, we are also providing an automated system for review mechanism.
Okay.
Right now, what we have heard and all the MFDs that we have discussed this with face this challenge that they are not able to reach out to their clients for the review meetings.
Right.
Review meetings are always client driven. But if this goes on, after a certain period, what will happen is clients will go to somebody who is taking that action on them without them asking.
Right.
So we are going to focus on that also. We help them personalize the review meetings for each and every clients based on their engagement level with us, based on their client AUM, and based on the risk profiling categories.
Right.
So that is how we are going to help.
Right. So I think this is end-to-end solutions.
Yes, this is an end-to-end solution for client relationship management.
Right. So for ICA members, this happens to be a very special point that she's just raised. End-to-end solutions are what we are actually looking for, and our business would flourish. Not only flourish, it would depend solely on good, perfect end-to-end solutions. So this is the sum and substance of her delivery. Please look us up when we come back again with another guest. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time, and thank you for spending time today with all this.
Thank you so much,
Thanks
sir.
so much.
It was an honor for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
আনন্দ আর ভালোবাসার দীপ্তিতে গড়া সমুজ্জ্বল পরমা, ঠিক তোমারই মতো। শ্যাম সুন্দর কোম্পানি জুয়েলার্স, আগরতলা, উদয়পুর, ধর্মনগর, কলকাতা।